Today's hack is a zipper repair. Now, normally, if this were a vest from, say, Costco that may cost between $20 or $30, it really wouldn't be worth a repair. I would just replace it. But this is a higher end vest, and I would rather not retire it because of a broken zipper. Now, the original zipper looked like this one on the pocket. It has a piece that's crimped on. The pull is crimped on, and that broke and came off and got lost somewhere along the line. And so it had some pieces sticking out. And what I ended up doing was basically filing away with a Dremel tool the part of a replacement zipper and then the piece of this zipper together, and then mated them together with a epoxy. And so this is the final product, and it's working just fine. And so so the next step is I'll show you how I put this together.
Before I get too far, what I'm going to do is cut off the bottom section of this for the zipper and epoxy that to the top of the old zipper. I think that's the easiest method.
All right, the next step is making the mating part of the zipper flush, the original that had the pull on it fitting in here that broke off. This is a plastic zipper, which is going to generate heat when I start to shave this off. So I am using it far top where I don't usually move it in case it melts some of the zipper, but I'll have to do this slow in order to keep the heat down. So now I have two flat pieces. All that's left is to mix a little epoxy. I'll combine those two and let it bond. So I'm using a basic 2-part epoxy. I'll mix it and then spread it for the two pieces and let it cure. And let it cure.